North East Adventist University Khliehtyrshi haka pratri unai lor kalale Burom ka World Physiotherapy Day ne kasngi ban kan mau kerpang ki batrei kum ki physiotherapist hakaleng ka perthai halor ka jingdan bantajong ki ban wanra ka kwat ka khia ki bapang bat penyo biang ru ka rukom im balat luit kumba ki julong hakani kasngi lawan sa khilang menteri ka sarkar jila ukerman Shillong ka Dr. Shillong orthopedic Physiotherapist District Early Intervention Center Jawai, rengkat kajingan dan nang ke Dr. Jemima Marak, Liaison and Development Officer NEAU, Dr. Paul Bhagin, Vice Chancellor NEAU, bat kiwei hakajian lang bapenya daka Piralin Kharkongor. Nakalang ke North East Adventist University, ka Shimru ya ka kabu ban pensngu thu pat ba lengba ki presentation, halor ka osteoarthritis negajing pangman, bat ka Dr. Junita Kendat, PT, HOD Physiotherapy Department NEAU, habakran lamprang ko ongru bayakan nega jinpang, buon hi ki kamiyo ki bala herta. Ukerman Shilla habakran uyaro eka North East Adventist balengba ka jingle Burom jongka ya kani kasni, ki pat baru kin satep ya ka jing syakri bakerpang jongki, namar hagini ki si la download ki doktor bapuli benia ya kanu ka jat jinpang. Ka Dr. Shilla, kum ka physiotherapist ka penpau bakadap da kaman siem ka bakaman bantre ka nekakam namar kayo e ka lat ban yarap e kibri bakin yo biang sashisin ya ka jing im bakaman balat lut bat hadu bakin dala biang banya hagani ka si la pleru ya ka electrotherapy lab la samru e ki khusnam je ki nongjob haga je ko poster competition.
My friend, they give a speech and they said that for the whole family we need only one doctor. And for us in my village, the whole village we need only one doctor. We have we have only one. So that is so beautiful to see today. That now we have got to learn that we have a doctor and a specialist who will look after us in everything. For headache separate, for bones separate, for muscle, for veins, for everything. It's so good to see, and we are blessed to be to be a part of this generation where we have witnessed and there is somebody who can take care of us. So from my side, I will not be able to name each and every type of doctors we have, but to all the doctors who treated us as a patient, thank you so much to all of you and with your guidance. And I believe that today I've asked Dr. Shillong today, I asked her, how safe is it that acupuncture they call it, that with a pin, I don't know, even that is also difficult to pronounce. I asked how safe is it? She said 90% safe. And this song is not 100% safe. So it's good to see that our doctor tell us the fact and the reality. Because there are times that we don't know exactly what to do and when to do. There are times that we got a pressure. Especially when we go to the hospital, the doctor used to say, you have to do the operation right now and now. I remember it happens to my dad. One doctor, I will not mention his name, he said, you have to do it today itself. If not today, then chance for you to die very high. Then my dad said, no, my wife is not here with me. I cannot do it myself. For us, we believe that when you cut your body, somebody has to be there with you. And my dad, he is so scared of that. He said, no, I need to be with my wife. So that she will, if anything happened to me, the last words, he can say to my mom. I believe that is what he meant. So, till now, what happened, my dad, he went to other doctor and he did the prescription and he take medicine. Till now, he is fine. I believe he'll live longer, he'll reach century. So that is what I pray for him, because he's a role model to me. Today I am here as a politician. Most of the people you might not know, my dad, my height, we are of the same height. And I'll tell you one joke also, it's a reality actually about my story, real sickness. But to any kind of difficulties, we are the solution. So I believe that by working hand in hand, working together, we will solve most of the problems of our people, either in health-wise or in their problems in different field. But I believe all of us, our contribution from the students, the parents, the teachers, the doctors, and be the politician too, I believe one day we will live happily in this world. So I have nothing much to say. I just have one thing to say. A very happy World Physiotherapy Day to each and every one of you. May God bless this university, and thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
If you want to be a good physiotherapist, if you want to genuinely help people, then you must learn to have these two things, because these are the key ingredients to gain your patient's trust and the key to motivate and give hope to your patient to get better one step at a time. Now, have any one of you experienced, suppose you fall sick, you have to go to the hospital or to a private clinic for checkup. And when you enter the private chamber of a doctor, the minute you see the doctor, suppose, and he smile at you, he talk to you in a very kind, soft-spoken way. He listen to your complaint and assess accordingly to your complaint. Don't you feel like your pain is gone at that moment? But suppose you enter a chamber, the doctor doesn't care to even make eye contact with you, doesn't care to listen, and sometimes they will just nod their head, writing prescriptions. They don't care about the history. They won't listen what happened to you 2 or 3 years back. Would you feel better? No. Sometimes, today we went to one doctor, the next day we will tell our parents, or even our parents will tell us, I don't think that medicine works. Let us go to the other doctor. Why? Because psychologically, our minds work hand in hand with our body. So, it doesn't matter if you are a physiotherapist, a cardiologist, a surgeon, a medical specialist, or any healthcare professional. If you lack compassion and empathy, then we fail ourselves as healthcare professionals. And also we fail God for giving us the knowledge we have. Being a physiotherapist is such a heartwarming, rewarding profession because we have the opportunity to give people the chance to live a mobile, pain-free, healthier and independent life. And I can say we can also give a second chance for people to walk again, like you just saw just now. And so as a physiotherapist, my heart is filled with joy and pride. Joy because BPT course is available here at the NEAU. And pride because NEAU is located here in our district, which gives opportunity for students from our district as well as nearby district to come here and pursue their dreams in becoming physiotherapists. And also it gives chance to the parents who are not able to send their kids outside due to financial problems. However, they can send their kids here and get knowledge according to the course that they are willing to take. I hope the students will work hard and study well. Take this time to learn and receive as much knowledge as you can. Be a sponge. You have to take in whatever you know, whatever you learn from your teachers. Be sincere with your studies, both theoretically and practically, so that when you finish your studies, you will go out to the world, start practicing and become good, humble physiotherapists. On this note, I would like to end with this quote: strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value.